me something, it might just take the pain away. A million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes.
Hello my lovelies. Hello. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for watching and for tuning in. We are going to get right to this video. First of all, please thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure your notification is turned on, and then you will be notified every time I upload a video. I apologize for not uploading a video last week, but I don't always want to keep you guys hanging. I want you guys to see videos from me every single week because I'm always happy to bring you guys videos twice a week or at least once a week. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Again, thumbs up and watch the video to the end. I do have some merchandise for you guys, t-shirts. I'm just going to get right into this video. I have two colors available, red and purple, $11.23. Really good pricing for you guys. Payments are done through PayPal or you can email Interact. All of the details are below for you, and it's also on my website, and I do have a few giveaways as well. So I am wearing the red one today, and this is a size large. You guys are going to see some videos coming up. I just added a little brooch just to sort of bling this up a little bit, and of course I'm wearing my favorite piece of jewelry, this chunky necklace, and it looks really lovely around the neck. I mean, I can just wear this with a pair of jeans, leggings, shorts, skinny jeans, running shoes with a crossbody bag, a scarf around the neck, belt around the waist. You can dress this up however you want. They're t-shirts, okay? Fits really nicely, and it's cotton. Very comfortable. It will not scratch your skin. And I know sometimes there are some women who are very self-conscious about the arm area, who do not like to have their arms exposed. And if you notice the sleeves on these t-shirts, do you notice? It's almost down to my elbows. So at least you're going to have ample coverage, and you're going to feel comfortable as well. And it's also long enough to cover the bum. And this is the purple. And again, you can see the length of this, okay? It's a beautiful, rich, deep purple, very nice and soft on your skin. Both colors are available for $11.23. Again, send your payments through PayPal or email Interact. And I know not every bank has an email Interact feature, because I remember last year, one of my subscribers won the cash giveaway, and I could not send it to her through email Interact because her bank in the States does not have that feature. So I had to send it to her through Western Union. So if you don't have that feature in your bank, PayPal is the way to go. I'm keeping it easy for you guys. The price is already there. Just make sure you leave me your address, a proper address where I can send your product to you. And the packaging will be shipped to you in a biodegradable package, which means do not put the packaging in your garbage, put it in your compost, okay? If you want to just cut it up and throw it in your backyard, go right ahead. It's just going to break down. And so you guys are getting a good bang for your buck, $11.23 for a t-shirt, plus you're saving the environment, okay? Also, if you want to bedazzle the hell out of your t-shirts and bling it up, go ahead. You remember back in the days, you know, they had that infomercial, the bedazzler, and I think I had one of those too. So if you want to bedazzle the hell out of your t-shirt, it's yours to do whatever you want, right? And if you just want to buy a gift for yourself, someone for a friend, for a neighbor, someone who carpools your kids to school, your favorite teacher, someone's birthday, $11.23 is very minimal to pay for a lovely t-shirt. And I do hope you guys are going to support me in this venture. Really inexpensive. Now I also have the polo shirts. I do have a couple of samples. They may not be available for a while because of inventory, but however, these are mine, the red and the purple. I mean, look at this red. I mean, look at this. If you're a golfer and you want to get like a really nice polo shirt for the golf course, hey, this is it for you, right? So they are not available yet. However, I do have maybe 2 or 3 of these on my website for a giveaway. And when the polos become available, I'm going to definitely let you guys know. And so anything that I did not mention in today's video is going to be down below for you guys, and also on the website. Check out the giveaways. I am going to be making an announcement on this coming week for the giveaway winner. And I think since I've been having giveaways on my website, it's been over 400, maybe 14 people of you who have entered the giveaway. Thank you guys so much, and I do appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I cannot have this platform without you guys, and I do appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to leave it here for today, and again, if I did not mention anything in this video, it's going to be in the description box. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.